What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you for clicking on this. Today we are going up and riding Old Yak, the 2023 YZ 450. You guys know my bike. We are riding up at Leadville. So we try and make it up there at least once a year. I don't think we did last year, but this track, it's at 10,000 feet elevation. Leadville, I guess, is like the highest incorporated town in the continental US or something like that. Anyway, Daddy DeeO's back in town, so he's on his way over. We're gonna roll up today and meet up with some friends up there, and gonna be a sick time as always. So we're gonna go ahead, crunch down the bike so that we can make it through the garage. I did actually switch it out. I know I talked to you guys the other day about the Mercury taking the garage, but since it is an early morning, we swapped it out for tonight, so we have the bike ready to go. But pull it out, strap it down, and then wait for Dad to get here, and then we'll rip off to Leadville. So gonna be a sick day. Appreciate y'all joining me, and let's go have some fun with it. And as promised, we got Daddy DeeO back. We've been missing him, but we got him back. So Leadville's like 2 hours 45, so we're gonna get on the road, get some breakfast on the way, and go rip it up. We got some big old breakfast burritos, and then just got some ice for the cooler. Now let's actually get on the road and make our way up to Leadville. And here we are pulling up to Leadville MX. So super hyped to be up here. It was a nice smooth drive. We ate the burritos and yeah, made it up here in pretty good time. It's actually 9:59 right now, so right on time. Here it is, good old Leadville. Look at this. We're exactly at 10,000 feet of elevation, right on the dot. So that's pretty cool. Got some buddies we should be meeting out here today. I don't think anyone you guys have seen yet, so be cool. But track looks good. It's just about to open. They open at 10. The water truck just got off of it. I've seen some videos recently. It looks like it's the same as it's always been. Seems like the layout stays pretty similar here. Nothing really changes, but love it up here. It's gorgeous, and really excited to get out and rip it today. All right, we're all geared up. We're gonna go out there and check out the track for the first time today. Back in Leadville. Cool track.
You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah.
Looking good.
Thank you. Can't tell if that whip is good or not, or if it's lame.
It wasn't one of your better ones. It wasn't bad. You want me to film it?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it?
It's good, man. It's a little...
Kind of sloppy.
Yeah, a little bit. I was gonna say a little deep, but it's like... It's not really deep, but it kind of catches you out a little bit. Yeah, exactly. But love it up here, man. It's sick.
I know.
I just love that, like, there's nothing scary or intimidating. It's just...
the same track.
Yeah. Ooh, we're in gear.
This is Moto X best whip.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Bailey, how'd you feel out there?
It's a little sloppy, man, but super fun layout. Better than trails, so
Absolutely,
we're
man.
rocking with it.
Definitely. Yeah, just like Bailey said, it's kind of sloppy out there. It's not like deep, but it's just kind of slick. It's interesting. But they were putting water down a few times, so keeping it wet so it doesn't dry out too quick, so we appreciate that. But it's sick as always. Layout's fun, jumps are fun. It is just a little slimy in some spots, kind of catches that front tire out. But yeah, we did like 20 minutes, not super hard, but put in a good little ride there. Dad got some sick footage as always. And so now we're gonna drink some Gatorade and sit down in the shade of our Easy Up.
Cool. Good.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Okay, gonna be showing Daniel another line to try. Trying a different line on this jump that one of our buddies showed us. Trying to jump to the inside, like so. So that everybody else jumps to that main line. Whoa.
I think I just ran it out of gas.
Oh my. That's something
I didn't-
rolled all the way down here
I
and
didn't-
jumped me there.
I didn't think it was that low. It bogged on me.
I actually thought it was bogging when you're doing that bowl corner, the jump after it. Yeah.
It just bogged so weird. I didn't think it was gas. I was just gonna pull in behind you.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. We got a lap at least, didn't we?
just finished up a few more rides. I realized parking here, the worst part is it gets really loud right here with everyone jumping by, but that's all right. So I ran my bike out of gas. I had checked it before we rode and I thought I was totally good, but I don't know. I don't know if the Yamaha burns through it faster or what, but I never had problems on my Honda, and the Yamaha ran out of gas like 3 times now. So definitely something I need to be better about, but it's just weird. I'm not used to it, so I'll have to be way better about that. But yeah, we did some laps. We did some with Bailey. He's riding really well. Hit some corners. I did hit this one time, and I was coming around that guy and jumped to the left, thank you, and kind of jumped off the side of the track. It wasn't anything sketchy, but he asked if I was all right afterwards, so I appreciate that. Hopefully he wasn't upset and felt like I was too close to him. I didn't feel like I was. I just kind of jumped weird off of it. It was all on me, but yeah, some good laps there. So we're gonna sit back, take a little break. I'm definitely feeling it in the arms and everything. I'm getting pretty worn out, but got some cloud cover moving in. Feels good up here. Definitely not as hot as back home. And yeah, just enjoying it out here. You want to say hey to the camera?
Hi.
Just hi?
Hi.
It's about 1:30 now. We just finished up a few more laps, and I think we're gonna go ahead and start packing it up. Kind of looks like something might be moving in over the mountains. And the track's just getting choppy, and I'm just getting worn out. So we've had a successful day. I did get pretty sketchy in those last few corners. So figure we should get out of here before we push it too hard and end up wrecking ourselves. So start ungearing here and getting loaded up. But awesome out here at Leadville. I'm glad we came up. It's always a good time, and yeah, I'm definitely feeling it though. The arms, the legs, the ankles, everything is feeling it. I don't know, maybe because I haven't been riding as much lately, but what do you think, Dad? Pretty good day out here?
Yeah, it was a great day. It was a beautiful track, beautiful scenery.
Perfect. Awesome. So let's go ahead and start stripping down. And that's a wrap. We're gonna get on out of here. I asked Dad if he would drive, and he said he wouldn't mind, so that is awesome. It's fun riding with Bailey. He's getting out of here. So that was a great time. We're gonna get on the road, and man, it's loud out there. And probably get some food closer to Colorado Springs. So I guess I'll take you guys along for that, and then we'll sign out of here. But day at the track, done and dusted, super fun. Love being up here at Leadville. And yeah, they kept the track wet all day. It was kind of sloppy. Nah, I don't know. It was just kind of slick. It wasn't sloppy or deep. It was just slick and a little bit of a challenge. But they kept water on it, which was really nice. Better than it going dry, hard packed concrete, and made the most of it. So fun day out here for sure. It can't beat a day on the dirt bikes.
I forgot to film the outro while my dad was here, but we enjoyed some barbecue, got a little extra, and yeah, good time, good day out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. We got Ezra here chilling, and yeah, good day overall. Appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, until next time, take it easy. If it's easy, take it twice. Talk to you later.